And I was like, nothing. We're just looking at pictures. And then she gives me this look. What are you talking about? Your mouth.
Stupid.
So I saw my Todd.
Nothing out of here said it's time to get this thing underway, so I don't care if you want it or not.
Whatever. Just to be standing up there to see her face when he walks up there. That would just make my day.
Apartheid? Call me new agey, but I think karma's a powerful force.
Hey guys, yes, it's me. Yes, I'm very tired today. I don't know why. I'm exhausted. But anyway guys, it's thundering out and I'm like, wow. I'm so stuck up in my fantasy world and stuff. Like, honestly, I'm watching TV over here. I didn't even know. So, yeah. Enjoy the rest of the video. Have a great day. Yeah. See you guys later. Bye.
Brave. Brave. Brave.
What's
City?
my dog doing?
Brave. 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 You're going to be brave, alright? Brave. 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 Be brave. Don't be scared. No scare. No scare.
Bum bum. Bum bum. Bum bum. Bum bum. Ba da da ba ba bum. Bum bum. Bum. Bum bum. Boop 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 boop. Bum bum. Oh my goodness. Yo, like for real, it's like thundering out. No joke.
See, that's the kind of magic I'm talking about, buddy. Oh, you two must already know each other. Dr. Cox. Petey.
Come on. Woo! Someone's mad. Oh my goodness. Hey guys. Hyprax here. Anyway guys, it's a thundering out. Lightning out. And like, everyone's scared. Adam's scared. I could honestly just fall asleep, but you know. My dog's scared. My dad's just talking on the phone. My mom's just like, get up to bed. But you know, we gotta end this video. It's not a lot. I mean, I gotta post something, you know, for you guys. But you know, we'll see you later. Goodbye.